We're under attack! Sound the alarms! Fortify the gate, little one! I'll make sure the food is safe! Captain Standish, thank
Gosh.
God you're here. Are you gonna eat that corn? Oh, what are we going to do? Please say it wasn't the Indians.
It wasn't the Indians.
Ah, well, a traitor in our midst, perhaps.
It was those bleeding birds.
Them.
You mean turkeys did this?
Yes, they did it all right.
Oh, they ain't regular birds. They got magical powers. I've seen them disappear into thin air. Seen another two flying in a giant egg. They're playing with my mind, trying to drive me crazy.
Well, I should say they've succeeded, eh?
Well then.
Oh dear.
Oh no, he's a trail of gunpowder.